Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cookware that sticks and scratches, making cooking a chore? The SENSARTE Nonstick Pots and Pans set is here to change that, with its healthy non-stick coating that allows food to slide off effortlessly without sticking or burning, making it easier to cook with less oil and enjoy healthier meals every day. This well-reviewed cookware set is a game changer, with many customers praising its performance and durability. One of the standout features of this set is its compatibility with all stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, glass, and induction, thanks to its reinforced cast aluminum construction that heats up quickly and evenly. The silicone sealed flat glass lid creates a tight seal, locking in moisture and flavor, and the tempered glass cover allows you to monitor the food status without lifting, all while reducing noise. The Stay Cool and Comfortable handle is meticulously designed to stay cool on the stovetop, offering a comfortable grip and a sleek and elegant look. The set is also dishwasher safe, with a coated bottom that won't leave black stains or residue, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're cooking for one or a large family, this set is perfect for everyday use, and it's oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile and convenient. With its easy setup, super comfy design, and noise-canceling features, the SENSARTE Nonstick Pots and Pans set is a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. The LED lights add a touch of modernity and sophistication to the set, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Overall, this cookware set is a great investment for anyone who loves to cook, and with its many benefits and features, it's no wonder it's a popular choice among home cooks. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.